Here today at Skyway Classics we have a wonderful yellow 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. As you can tell, it has a little bit of rake to it. Gives it a very aggressive look. We're just going to walk around the car right now, show you the outside, the Weld racing wheels, and the paint. And the paint looks amazing out in this Florida sun. She also drives amazing and sounds even better. Go ahead and show you this chrome. Very shiny, no pitting. You can tell it's been redone recently. And this car just absolutely pops when it's outside. I'll show you the badging here. It's also no pitting there or on the front bumper. But we'll go ahead in the next clip venture on inside to the interior, and we'll have a couple more clips of it running in the engine. As we open up the door, see just great condition of the door panels and the seats. No cracking, no weathering. As we get on in here, it does have a tachometer that does work, speedo, and some extra gauges here, oil, water, and voltmeter, as well as a new age classic style radio, and also a Go EFI Tech tuning system. As you can see, there does have some aftermarket speakers put into it. Show you the headliner here in the back seats. Does come with a fire extinguisher right there and the B&M shifter. We'll go ahead and fire this bad girl up, show you how it sounds. Pretty rowdy, so I'm just going to go ahead and get over the details while it's quiet. There is a dashboard setting up here that shows you how the car is running. As I mentioned, the tach does work. Power steering and power brakes. So we'll go ahead and fire this girl up. Give her a little drive. Pull this thing on the lift and show you guys the underneath. Now that we got the Chevelle up in the air, let's go ahead and take a look underneath. Starting with the driver's side, you can see right here, very good condition all the way across the board on the steering components and the passenger side. And underneath the engine, long tube headers and the floors. This passenger side and the driver's side. Going to a single Flowmaster muffler on each side with those turned down tips right before the axle there. And the rear also has disc brakes. And another cool thing is that this also has bags. You can see there, it's where you input the air, make sure the pressure is all right, as well as the fuel system. You can see right there a little bit of some pump upgrades and filter upgrades. We'll go ahead and take a look around underneath the door panels. Show you guys also great condition there. no rust, no chew. Inside the fender well on the front. We'll make our way over to the passenger side. Underneath the fender well here, a little bit of dirt, and then same story underneath here. Great condition. Well, we'll go ahead and put this thing back on the ground and give you guys a little drive-by video.